Sam here with MarineMax Coco. Today we're going to check out this 2025 Sea Ray 19 SPX. As you can see, we have the black hull, black rub rail, stainless steel insert. Right here you have the tower, perfect for pulling tubes. Sitting on a tandem axle trailer and a 150 Mercury pushing this baby. Let's take a look inside. Now that we're in the 19 SPX, back here you can see we have plenty of room on the swim platform. It is covered in sea deck, nice, soft on the feet. Back here we have a sun pad, cool spot to watch the kids jump on and off the boat. Underneath, massive storage. Right now you can see the full covers in there. More seating inside here. You have nice option here where the backrest, you can sit forward or sit aft. You have a insulated cooler here. Nice helm seat, flip up bolster. Simrad MFD, you have Fusion stereo. You have a massive storage in the floor. Perfect for anything to keep it out of the way. Lots of storage in there. You have lockable storage right here. Good place for your phone, your wallet. As we move up to the bow, nice seat here. Put the feet up, relax. You have storage under both sides. And then a dedicated anchor locker at the front with a tie-off cleat. That's going to complete this walkthrough. This boat is available and ready for delivery. If you have any questions, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.